Hello everyone, I'm on this side and you're watching to my YouTube channel IT Paradigm, a channel where you will get the useful videos related to professional applications that are used on phone or computer laptop. So this is a Google Docs tutorial part 2, or I can say it is a tutorial at intermediate level. Before that I made a video on Google Docs part 1. It was at beginners level, and if you have not watched that video, do watch it before this one. So let's start the video. So here is our document. So first of all, let's change the name of the document. Right now it is untitled, you can see here. So if you tap on this untitled document, you will get the option to change the name of document. Let me write my name, IT Paradigm. Okay, now you can see the name of the document is changed. The next in this video we will be learning to insert the object. So first of all we will learn that what are the object, and then how can we insert the different object in this Google Docs. So first of all, tap this edit icon, or we can say this is a pencil icon at lower right corner. So after that we get a plus symbol here at upper side of the screen. So tap on plus symbol, we will get different options. These are the objects that we can insert in our Google document. So first is a link. If we want to add a link to any text, we can use this option. Next is comment. So comment is like a suggestion that you can create for yourself or the other person that will edit this document. The next is image, table, horizontal line, page break, page number and footnote. So these are all the options present in this menu, and they are going to be the topic of this video. Let's start from the first option of this menu. So that is link, and we can apply a link to any existing text, or we can create a new text and can apply the link to that text. So let's tap on this option. We will get two boxes. The first is text and the second one is link. Let's add a text here. That is IT Paradigm, the name of my channel, and I will insert a link of my channel here, like www.youtube.com/IT Paradigm. So this is the link of my channel and it is applied to the text IT Paradigm. Now tap on this tick icon, and here you can see a new text is added, name IT Paradigm, and a link is also applied to this text. Now if I tap on this text, I will get an option to open this link from YouTube. So here is my channel, and this is how you can apply the link to any text. Another one is comment. So we can add comment to any of the text. Like here you can see the spelling of never is incorrect. So I can give a suggestion here to the editor that the spelling of never is incorrect. I have added comment here. Now I have to write the correct spelling. The correct spelling should be never. So like this we can add a comment to the text. Now you can see the never is highlighted with a darker orange color. Now if I tap on this never and tap and hold, I will get the option in these three dots, that is view comment, and I will see here the correct spelling should be never. So this is how the another person will get to know that my spelling of never is incorrect, and then he or she may change it. Now moving to the next option of this menu, that is image. So we can insert any image by using this option. So we can choose from photos or can directly click from camera. Let's choose a photo from gallery. Here we have a lot of photos. Let's choose this one. Now you can see this is how you can insert any picture in Google Docs, and it is a good way to make your document look more attractive. The next is we have here table. So we can insert the table to visualize our numerical values in Google Docs. So tap on this option, we have number of columns and number of rows written here. We can adjust the values by tapping on this up and down arrow, and after that tap on this insert table. Now you can see a table is added in our document. Now in order to delete this table, tap and hold on the table and we will get the option to delete table. Tap here to delete the table. The next we have horizontal line. So if you want to insert a horizontal line in your document, like if you want to start a new topic, so you can use this option. You can see a horizontal line is added to the document. Now you can start your new topic. The next we have here page number. Now if you want to insert the page number, use this option. There we have options like upper right corner or lower right corner. We can use these formats to insert page number. The next we have footnote. So this is very useful things that you can use while creating your document. So first of all, what is a footnote? Footnote is like a word meaning, like you can highlight any of the text in your document and can insert the meaning here at downside of the page. You can see here at downside of the page you can show the footnote about this document. So that is all for this video. See you in the next video, and that will be Google Docs part 3 and it will be at master level. So till then, bye bye, take care and see you soon.